Hi friends, welcome back. Today, I'm bringing you a tutorial for this cute little owl. It's a tiny bit more advanced than our last one, but please don't let that intimidate you. We'll go through it step by step together. I've prepared everything we need. If you're new to this, don't worry. Just follow my hands and fold along with me. Remember, you can pause or rewind anytime. This isn't a race, it's a journey. Let's enjoy the texture of the paper and the sound of each fold together. I want to share something. There's no pressure to be perfect here. Handcrafting isn't about chasing perfection, it's about finding joy in the making. The real magic of origami is how a simple, flat piece of paper, through your touch and patience, slowly turns into a tiny world of its own. It's almost like you're creating a little bit of life out of nothing. If your folds are a little messy, it's okay. That's what makes it yours. It's one of a kind. And the best part, it's just paper. If you're not happy with the result, grab a fresh sheet and we'll try again. Paper is patient, and trying one more time is always easy. If you have kids, this is a beautiful way to build focus and patience together. And if you're doing this alone, I hope it helps you unplug from the daily stress and enjoy a quiet moment of peace. Once you're finished, you can tuck this little owl into your phone case, use it as a bookmark, or just let it sit on your desk. It's not just a craft anymore, it's a small piece of your time and your life. And there we go. I hope you enjoyed this little papercraft moment as much as I did. If today has been a bit heavy or stressful for you, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Did folding this together make you feel a little more grounded? Thanks for spending your time with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Happy folding.